Hello, hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be doing some, let me turn this TV down. We're going to be doing some turquoise nails. These said nails here. This is LA Color Craze in shade 504. It is, I don't know if you can see this, seafoam. It's called right here. So, I love turquoise. No piece of turquoise is ever identical to another. And that's probably one of the things I love about it. So, I did this nail here. I don't know if you can see this already. So, let's get a little bit. I think it's going to be beautiful. We're going to do each nail individually. So, we're going to get started. Got my paper towel. Analogy scraper. I am using this image right here, or parts thereof. This is Bundle Monster plus Paulina's Passions BM-XL216. This plate has a lot of beautiful images on it. And I have my ice cube stamper, also by Maniology. Also, you're going to want to have lint roller for your stamper and something to clean your plate with. I use regular polish remover. If you don't have that or don't like to use that, you can use pure acetone, mixture thereof, whatever you prefer to use. For stamping polish, I'm using Wet n Wild's Black Cream. You can use whichever color you want, whatever brand. This is what I'm using today. Scrape. Flick of the wrist to pick her upper. And roll on. See how beautiful that is? Here we go. We are going to clean our plate and go on to our next image. Clean your stamper. Would you like to wipe my plate off so it's not so wet? Some people don't mind. I don't know. I got a thing about it. Just gotta think about it. I think each image is going to look different than the ones before. Or any piece of, like, I love that turquoise jewelry. I think they look beautiful. Let me give those a minute to dry before I top coat, and I will be using a what is it called? A no wipe top coat? No smudge top coat is what I'll be using. Clean your plate and your stamper. You want crisp, I can't talk. Crisp, clean images. I'm going to turn this image upside down. This one would be the index finger. Sorry if I was out of frame there. I just love this so far. Or this, people might say this looks like marble. I'll show you all them together when I'm done, which will be closer up so you can see. Clean your plate. Our last and final image. I'm going to get this one covered real well. The plate, that is. There we go. There's the thumb. So now I am going to take my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. I know I am an ambassador, I think it's called, for Maniology, and I will leave my 10% off code in the description box. Also across the bottom of the screen, or rolling up through the screen. Just look for it because it'll be there. This is just beautiful. I think this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous mani. Super easy to achieve. And you can even do the red with the black lines to look like there's red turquoise. When I was a teenager, I used to have a necklace that my father bought me. It was 3 hearts, 2 blue, 2 turquoise looking, and the red. I used to love it to death until it broke. Look at how gorgeous this is. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. This is an easy look to achieve. You could do this freehand, where you might have thinner lines, not thinner lines, but not quite as many. But I like how this turned out. I think this looks really gorgeous, especially if you are into turquoise like I am. So yeah, leave me a comment. Let me give me your thoughts. If you're new here, please subscribe and click that notification bell. And please click all. That way you are notified of all my future videos. I do upload 3 times a week. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Saturday being my original She Modern Saturday series. Little tongue twister for you there. So yeah, please come back, check out my other videos, and have a blessed day. Thank you.